Now, cabinet form of government you have. So, board of directors, they should be empowered to take decisions. How they are empowered to take decisions? So, a company should disclose everything to board of directors. Means that is called financial disclosure. Means when board of directors have their meetings, so you should place before board of directors all the reports related to the company. The reports should not be manipulated. The companies, let's say, bring time to time different types of reports related to its investment, financial health, accounting, auditing reports. So they have different types of, let's say, that reports. So when managing the board of directors have any such meeting, in that meeting you have to give all information so that the board of director is informed. And when it is informed, so you can take better decision. But many a time when corporate failures have happened, like say Satyam, the Satyam did not inform board of directors the true information. The information, let's say, they inflated the account of Satyam. Satyam was not earning profit as much they show on the account. So they inflated the account, and then board of directors did not know about the true aspect of the company, and hence they were not able to take decision. So if board of directors not empowered, so they will not be able to take effective decision. Effective decision, if they are not able to take, then company may suffer in long run, because then it would be on the basis of the whims and fancies of CEO. That is how the main, let's say, aspect of corporate governance. And then let's say you have independent director concepts. So independent director means they are from outside. They are no way associated with company. When they are no way associated with company, they can take independent decisions. And that is how it will be in the interest of the company. So again, it depends that whether they are empowered to take, can they take a stand against CEO. And they are appointed, so their appointment, let's say that, whether CEO, it is like the way we were talking about Lokpal. The government should throw itself for accountability. Hence, there should be Lokpal. Similarly, CEO should throw himself to board of directors for independent decisions, and then independent directors. Then the company can take, let's say, decisions which can be in the interest of all stakeholders. The company has various types of, let's say, shareholders, stakeholders. So there can be various types of shareholders, those who have the shareholding in the company, including the people, those who have bought the share. Those who have equity shares, plus the people, those who have bought the shares, they are also part of that. Plus it has its own employees. They can be stakeholders. A company has also stakeholders. And stakeholders can be investors, clients, customers, so financiers, those who give banks, financial institutions. So investors, they are, let's say that, so there are several types of stakeholders and, let's say, shareholders in a company. Therefore company कोई independent founder की नहीं है. This you have to understand. What is Reliance? लोगों अगर शेयर्स सारा, अगर उसका शेयर्स सारा डिक्लाइन मतलब क्रैश हो जाए तो क्या होगा? अल्टीमेटली अगर आप बोलते हो कि इट हैज 1 लाख करोड़ टर्नओवर, वो क्या है? वेयर डज इट कम फ्रॉम? पब्लिक. दे हैव बॉट द शेयर्स. अगर वो शेयर्स नहीं खरीदेंगे, पेटीएम, people are not buying shares, let's say, it is crashing like anything. So you can see that a company is nothing but people. People have bought that share. People can sell that share. People may not decide to buy shares. The company, if it is, let's say that having 1 lakh crore turnover, it's nothing but people. And then it has its clients, customers, investors. Hence, a company cannot take decision in a unilateral fashion the way it wants to, right? That is called CEO cannot take decision, right? And that is how there should be a system of decision making to run that company, and that is called corporate governance.
Welcome to LUKMAAN IAS. Study General Studies with LUKMAAN IAS for building comprehensive knowledge. GS paper 2 and 4 will be taken by S. Ansari and other papers will be covered by renowned faculties. Live classes are as effective as offline classes. The classes are highly interactive in nature. Your doubts and queries will be addressed and there will be dictation of notes. In the last 10 years, LUKMAAN IAS has set up a niche in the field of UPSC guidance.